Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to see time spent on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the Your Activity option. Then tap on Time Spent. And here, you will see the time spent on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to see time spent on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.